Unlock the hidden potential of your Minecraft world by mastering the mighty piston. First things first, let's craft this marvel of engineering. You'll need iron ingots, cobblestone, redstone dust, and a slime ball. Combine these ingredients in a crafting table, and behold your piston. Now, let's talk about how pistons work. A standard piston, when powered, will extend its arm, pushing any adjacent movable block one space forward. Importantly, it won't push blocks like obsidian, bedrock, or chests. When the power is removed, the piston retracts, but it leaves the pushed block in its new position. But what if you want to pull that block back? That's where the sticky piston comes in. Crafted with a slime ball added to a regular piston, the sticky piston not only pushes blocks, but also pulls them back towards itself when retracted, as long as it's directly attached to the block being moved. To bring your pistons to life, you need to power them using redstone. The simplest way is with a lever. Place a lever directly adjacent to the piston, or one block away with a redstone dust connection, and flipping the lever will activate the piston. Redstone dust is your conductive wire. You can connect multiple redstone dust items to carry the signal from its source, like a lever or button, to your piston. A redstone torch also acts as a constant power source, or it can be used in more complex circuits to invert signals. The applications are boundless. Create secret entrances by hiding doors behind walls, automate your farms by pushing harvested crops into hoppers, or even build intricate block swappers. Pistons are the building blocks of many advanced redstone contraptions. Experiment with different redstone signal timings and combinations. You can use repeaters to delay signals, ensuring your mechanisms function in the correct order. The power of pistons lies not just in their push and pull, but in how they integrate seamlessly with the entire redstone system. So, start tinkering. Whether you're building a simple automatic gate or a complex sorting system, understanding and utilizing pistons will elevate your Minecraft engineering skills to a whole new level.